relax.
Does anyone know where to get to a telephone nearby?
No. No?
Would you say grace, please?
How much does Mikey weigh?
I don't know.
What's the weight? In my stuff. Let's just see how much you weigh.
Oh my
I'll
God.
pause this. Come here. I gotta pause. Let's see how much you weigh.
What?
Look at this.
What'd you say?
He's videotaping, see?
Come here, Mikey.
What'd you say?
Come here.
What'd you say? Grandma, I'm 49 pounds.
You are?
Yeah. Grandma.
Poor baby. She's got chicken in her lip. She's so tired, huh, Mikey? What should we do? Huh?
We should do nothing. We just.
No, but look at her. She's not very comfortable. What should we do?
We should put her in the bed.
Put her in the bed? That's a good idea.
She's gonna be very comfy right now.
She will.